Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to format text in Discord. So if you want to cross out the text in Discord, you can just type in the message that you want to cross out and add a tilde symbol. So this one, add it on both ends at 2 tilde symbols. So as you can see, it has been crossed out. And for you to type in a bold text, so type in the word that you want and add 2 asterisks on both ends. There, as you can see, if you want to add an italic text, you can do the asterisk too, but only 1 asterisk on both ends. Also, you could do an underscore first on both ends too, so 1 on each end. And lastly is you add the underline by adding 2 underscores on each end. So as you can see, and of course, you could always do this, like, how are you? And you could highlight the text, just like so. And as you can see, the options will appear here, just like that. So that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.